Whoa, what up, what's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today we're going to take a look at the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the clay colorway. Welcome to the app. Okay, so looking at the box, you see you had a brown box. You got the large 350 running across the top. Typical Yeezy box, but we're going to check it out anyway. On this side, you got the large boost. Spin it around, you got the Yeezy Boost 350. On this side, it's blank. And on the other side, you got the Yeezy Boost 350 again. So what we have is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the clay colorway. But enough of all the talk, man. Let's get to the kicks, you hear me? Here it is. The Yeezy Boost 350 V2 clay. Now, I'm gonna be honest, man. When I first saw these on pictures, now for future reference, man, if you're not feeling this colorway, it's cool, you hear me? But pictures don't do these shoes no justice, man. You gotta see these things in hand, man. And this is coming from somebody that's not even a Yeezy fan. I'm talking about the individual other shoes. You understand what I'm saying? I don't like neither one of them. But I think these are dope, man. So let's go ahead and check them out, man. Under the bottom, you see you got the gum sole. You got the white boost running all under the bottom. Here's a look from the side. We're going to take it to the front. Look at that toe box. I don't even know if you call this a toe box. Here's a look from the top. We're going to take it to the medial side. Let me get this tag out the way. And then we're going to lay up there and check out the back. You hear me? See, you got the orange strip in the back. Now, that stands out to me, along with this orange theme they got going all throughout the shoe, man. I think it's kind of dope, man. I can't lie. Now let's check out the other shoe. Everything's the same. There's no difference. This one I just don't have a shoe tree in it. You feel me? So there's a better look at the orange strap on the back. The pull tab, whatever you want to call it. Here's your medial side. Back to your front again. Looking at it from the top. And here we go back. Now, as you can see, you got the all too popular translucent stripe on the middle of the foot. Now, I've never been a fan of those shoes that, you can see through, but it is what it is, man. There's a look at it anyway. Now we're going to take a look at the insole. Well, this is the strings. Pretty plain. All one color. Now here's a look at the insole. See the Adidas and the Yeezy. That's pretty much it, man. You hear me? I ain't gonna dwell too much on these, man, but let me give y'all a little bit of info, man. Now these are releasing in full family size run. They coming in infants, kids, men's, old folks, whatever you want to call it, man. Now they releasing on March 30th. They got pushed back for whatever reason. But I think it's a dope little shoe, man. I never been a fan of Yeezys, him, the individual, or the shoe. And I'm still not, but I think this one is kind of dope, man. I'm planning on taking my daughter to Disney World, you hear me? So I might have to pull these things out there, you dig? But I don't know. Let me know what y'all think about these things, man. Let me know if y'all feeling these or not, man. Think it's hot garbage, think it's trash. Whatever the case is, man. Participation is everything, man. But that was my look at the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the clay colorway. Follow us on Instagram at PetlersAir504. Make sure y'all check me out tomorrow, man. I'm going to do an on foot for y'all, and I'm going to holler back.